Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 71 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this 1/3 scale cyborg, follow this link to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below in the description, and you too can be building this iconic character. So let's have a scoot through the magazine, see what we got this week. History of RoboCop as usual, the Canadian Detroit. Loads of background information, part man, part machine, all fan. This is what we're going to be doing today, which is more work on the left arm, folks, okay? So we're going to need our left arm section that we've been working on, and then we're going to be coming down and doing parts of the upper arm joint, okay? And this is where it's going to go on your RoboCop, folks. Working our way down there, putting on the outer cover, and then sealing that off with its end cap, getting ready for when we put the forearm on in a later issue. Then you got new members of the family there, robots that help us and keep us company. AI intelligence algorithms, folks. Yes, AI really is taking over. Differential privacy there. Some companies such as Apple and Google are claiming that loads of AI stuff is going to benefit us. And then obviously the using algorithms to try to pre-detect crime trends. So there you go, folks. Lots of blurb in these magazines, so give them a read. This is what we're going to be doing. So we'll grab our bits and pieces and we'll put this together for you. So here's our arm from a previous issue, folks. If you remember, we assembled this. We've then got the forearm, we got its plate, and then we got EP and CM screws going in. The first things first, we want to orientate this around this way. Then we want to slide that up and over this arm section, somewhat like so, okay? And then this is going to locate on the end of this piece of plastic, as well as marry up to the holes there, okay? We want a pair of EP screws, so let's grab 2 of them. Put a bit of oil on one. Get rid of the knife. Little dab of oil. And we'll send one of the screws in place. Just like that. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Another little dab of oil. Line the screw up. And then send that home as well. Just like so. We've then got the other EP screw going in to that elbow joint. So let's grab that. Pop a bit of oil. There will be a cover going over this at some point. So we want an EP that side. Going in there. And then the other side is a CM for some reason. So we'll grab one of those and drop that in place. Just line them holes up. Like that. Okay. So that's that in situ. So let's just tighten that fully home. Just like so. That's what we want. And then we got this cap then going on. Just like so. And then that'll have a pair of CM screws going in, retaining that. So let's grab one of those. Obligatory bit of oil. And then we'll locate that. Do the same the other side. And then once we got both these in, we can then tighten them fully home. Like so. Just grab that. That's that one done. And that's that one done. Bingo. Just check that everything's tight and where it should be. And that is that section completed for today, folks. And already you can see how this is coming together. And then we're going to have our cups going in and our forearm rod and all of that lot. And then just check your joint works as it should, which is perfect. Okay. So we're going to leave it there. Don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me yourselves, folks, follow this link to the Fanhome website. Pop. And you too can be building the 1/3 scale RoboCop. Also, to help me out, if you can give little Fester a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow the content, keeps the channel alive. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring and select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.